Agni isn't fixed. It changes with stress, food, routine, even in the seasons. And Ayurveda recognizes 4 stages of Agni. First, Sama Agni, a balanced state. Balanced digestion, which is ideal. Steady appetite, comfortable elimination, clear mind, and stable energy. And so that's what we are striving for. And most of us experience this after a restful week, after retreat, nice holiday, or simply a regular rhythm. The second one is Vishama Agni, an irregular Agni, irregular digestion. So here digestion is unpredictable. Hungry one day, not hungry the next day. Gas, bloating, dryness, constipation, anxiety, these are all the signs. And these signs, if you have listened to a few of the posts, especially the recent ones, they are all signs of Vata. What helps here is warmth, regular meal times, and a calm rhythm, exactly what Vata as well means. The third one is Tikshna Agni, sharp, too strong. So this is an overactive digestion. Lots of heat is involved. You think of acidity, loose stools, irritability, and a feeling of too hot emotionally or physically. So Tikshna Agni incarcerates the food. So your food will not be well digested, and the food or the particles, they will be charred and the body can't absorb them. Even you're eating constantly because you're constantly hungry, but the body is not able to assimilate and to absorb this food. The fourth one is Manda Agni, low Agni. This is a sluggish digestion, heaviness, sleepiness after meals, mucus, forgetfulness, fogginess, and slow bowel movements. The best reset here is to simply lighten the load, sometimes even skipping dinner, and if that's too much, skipping breakfast. And that's ideal. To recap a little, let's recap that. Sama Agni is balance. That's what we're aiming for. Vishama Agni is irregular. One time strong, the other day weak. Tikshna Agni is too sharp, too hot, too intense. It incarcerates your the food. And Manda Agni is too slow. The food sits in you for too long. So the second one is Vishama Agni. It resembles or is associated with Vata. Vishama means irregular. This Agni fluctuates, strong one day, weak the next day, and often linked to variable routines or stress. Common signs include irregular appetite, gas, bloating, gurgling intestines, gas, bloating, constipation, dryness, sleep disturbances, and a feeling of being scattered and anxious. What helps most is bringing predictability, means a rhythm, back into life. Warm cooked meals, regular meal times, no snacking, and going to bed before 10 p.m. Simple daily rhythm works wonders for Vata and helps the Agni to regain steadiness again. This